take note when you are responding to questions which come up on your feed. So if you post a photo or a caption and someone asks a question, copy and paste their question and your response and put it in your vault, whether that's in a Word document, Excel, it doesn't matter how you do it. And what you'll start building up is a set of asked questions and your answers. You're already having to type them out once to respond to the people who've asked it. So don't rewrite the book, copy what you've responded with and save it somewhere else. And that creates a post for you. And not only that, well, those questions that people are asking you will inform you about your audience, about what they need to know more about, what do you need to share more about, what their interests are, what they're engaging with in terms of your business. So one simple step of copying the question and copying your answer over will really mean that you can use that in other ways, and it'll be a really good bank of content for you to hang on to and forward your business, as well as engaging with your audience and with their questions.